Hi children, in today's class we are going to learn about the comparison between Indian system and the international system. Okay, so in this class I'll explain you the difference between Indian system and international system. Okay, so now what I will do, I will teach you with the table. Okay, now I have here, so this is my Indian system as you all know. So this is my ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So these I call it as a periods. So my ones, thousands, lakhs, crores are my periods. Next I have my place values. Okay, so what are my place values? Ones, tens, hundred is it belongs to ones period. Thousand, 10,000, thousands period. Lakh and 10 lakh belongs to the lakhs period. Crore and 10 crore belongs to the crore period. So how am I going to represent this? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, a crore, 10 crore. T C means 10 crore, C means crore. Okay, so this is about the Indian system. Now I have here my international system. So I have here periods. I have ones, thousands and millions period. So these are the periods. Now I have here ones, tens, hundred. It belongs to my ones period. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000 belongs to thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million belongs to millions period. And now am I going to represent ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. HTH means 100,000, M means million, TM means 10 million, and HM means 100 million. And further, after million I have billions period. You know all that. So now you came to know the difference between Indian system and international system. So in place of lakhs we are going to replace the millions in international system. Okay, now I'll take one simple example. I will take a example of I'll take a example of 3 2 4 and 1 2 5 and 6. Okay, so this I have to represent both in Indian system as well as in international system. I have to write a number name in international system as well as in Indian system. Okay, so now how am I going to write? So now I'll take a number first. 3 2 4 1 2 5 6. I'll take a number. Now I'll first to write a number name. What I should write? I should write a place values. Ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, after that I have to place a commas. In Indian system I am going to place a comma first for 3 digits and then for 2 digits, because ones, tens, 100 belongs to the ones period, thousand, 10,000 belongs to thousands period, lakh and 10 lakh belongs to my lakhs period. Okay, so now I have to write a number name of this. Now I will write 32 lakh 32 lakh 41,000 41,256. So this is how I write the Indian system. Now I have to write this same number in the international system. Let me write 231,256. Now I should write the place values for this. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yes, I know you are used to it. You will tell lakh. No, it is not lakh. It is 100,000 and million. Okay, so now I am going to place a commas for 3 digits and 3 digits in international system. So ones, tens, 100 I am placing a comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 I am placing a comma, because ones, tens, 100 belongs to ones period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 belongs to my thousands period, and million is another period. Okay, so now I have to write. How am I going to write the number name for this? I'll write 3 3 million 2 200, 200, 40, 41,000. Be careful, 41,000 while writing the number name. 41,256. Okay, so this is the difference between international and the Indian system.